Hello. Whether you are early in your career at NPPD or you are nearing retirement, NPPD is excited to let you know you have a medical healthcare option waiting for you when you retire from the district. The benefit option you receive depends on the date you were hired. But wait, if NPPD rehired you at some point in your career or you transferred from a part-time to full-time status, then your retiree healthcare benefit is determined by your adjusted service date. Before we delve into the details of your plan, we would like to go over some basic ground rules regarding your benefit. First, you do not need to be enrolled in NPPD's active medical insurance at the time of retirement to be eligible for a retiree health insurance benefit. However, you are only given one opportunity to enroll in retiree insurance. You must either accept or decline the benefit at the time of retirement. If you decline, there will not be an option to enroll later. Second, once you are enrolled in retiree insurance, there may be no lapse in coverage. This means if you start working for another employer, you must stay on NPPD's retiree insurance or your coverage will cancel and cannot be reinstated. We will now start with an overview of medical benefit options available to retirees with a hire date or an adjusted service date prior to January 1st, 1993. When determining your post-retirement benefit, we must first consider your age at retirement. If you retire under age 60, you and your eligible dependents will be enrolled in the retiree base plan through Blue Cross Blue Shield, paying 20% of the applicable retiree premium. You will be moved to the base plan beginning the first day of the pay period following your retirement date, with your current deductibles being applied to your base plan deductible. Therefore, your deductible does not start over. Your portion of the premium will be set up on auto-pay and payable to NPPD on the 10th of each month. Once you turn age 60, you will no longer owe a premium. NPPD will pick up 100% of the premium cost for you and any eligible dependents. You and your spouse will remain on the base plan until you are each respectively eligible for Medicare. Dependent children come off your plan when they turn age 26. However, spouses can remain on the plan. If you are already retired and on the retiree base plan, about 3 months prior to turning age 65, or earlier if due to disability, you must enroll in Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. If you are an active employee, you may remain enrolled in active insurance and delay going on to Medicare Part A and Part B until you retire. NPPD's benefit team will provide a proof of healthcare coverage form you can give to Social Security proving you had credible coverage and preventing any Medicare late enrollment penalties. When ready to enroll in Medicare, you and your spouse will be responsible for paying for Medicare Part B premiums. NPPD will enroll you and your spouse as applicable in a Medicare supplement plan and a Medicare Part D prescription plan. NPPD will pay 100% of the premiums for the Medicare supplement and Medicare Part D prescription drug plans. You will have a total of 3 member ID cards, one for original Medicare Part A and Part B, one for the Medicare supplement plan, and one for the Medicare Part D plan. This coverage is available to you until you pass away. Upon your passing, your surviving dependents may continue receiving the benefit-paying premiums based on your age at the time of death. For instance, your surviving spouse would pay 20% of the applicable retiree base plan premiums until you, as the retiree, would have turned age 60. If you are age 60 or older at the time of your passing, premiums are covered by NPPD for your surviving spouse unless he or she remarries or takes another coverage, and for any eligible dependent children until they turn age 26. Retirement is an exciting time, but we also know there is a lot to consider. NPPD is proud to take away some of the financial burden by offering a post-retirement healthcare benefit. The district also offers a retiree life benefit, which is paid to the beneficiaries at the time of a retiree's passing. An employee assistance program is also free to all retirees and dependents for 36 months following your official retirement. The benefits team wants you to have a successful transition into your next chapter in life. Email benefitslist@nppd.com to set up a retirement planning appointment or to ask questions or seek assistance.